Hey team, welcome to AS Academy. I'm Harini and today we'll be looking at the current affairs of March 2021. So without much delay, let's get into the first question. So the first question is, who has become the world's biggest wealth gainer as per the Bloomberg Billionaires Index? So the answer is option A, Gautam Adani. So according to Bloomberg Billionaire Index, Gautam Adani has become the world's biggest wealth gainer and he is the chairman of Adani Group. Then moving on to the next question. So the second question is, which political writer will be best out with the Sahitya Academy Awards 2020? So the answer is option D, M. Veerappa Moily. So M. Veerappa Moily will be best out with the Sahitya Academy Awards, and along with M. Veerappa Moily, the poet Arundhati Subramaniam will also be best out with the Sahitya Academy Awards. Then moving on to the next question. So the third question is, Kuldeep Singh has been appointed as the new Director General of which body? So the answer is option A, CRPF. So Kuldeep Singh has been appointed as the new Director General of CRPF, and the full form of CRPF is Central Reserve Police Force. Then moving on to the next question. So the fourth question is, as per the latest trends in International Arms Transfer 2020 report of SIPRI, what is the rank of India as an arm importer of the world during 2016 to 2020? So the answer is option D, second. So India has secured a second rank in the report released by SIPRI as a arm importer in the world during 2016 to 2020, and the full form of SIPRI is Stockholm International Peace Research Institution. Stockholm International Peace Research Institution, and the chairman of Stockholm International Peace Research Institution is Ambassador Jan Eliasson. Ambassador Jan Eliasson. Then moving on to the next question. So the fifth question is, which country will be adjudged as the largest importer of arms in the world during 2016 to 2020 as per SIPRI's Trends in International Arms Transfer 2020 report? So the answer is option D, Saudi Arabia. So the answer is option D, Saudi Arabia. The five largest arm importers are Saudi Arabia, India, Egypt, Australia and China. So the five largest arm importers are Saudi Arabia, India, Egypt, Australia and China. Then moving on to the next question. So the sixth question is, which state will set up 100 nursery sports academies for children? So the answer is option D, Rajasthan. So Rajasthan will be setting up 100 nursery sports academies for children. Then moving on to the next question. So the seventh question is, the Global Recycling Day is observed every year on which date? So the answer is option A, 18th March. So we observe Global Recycling Day on 18th March, and the theme of 2021 is Recycling Heroes. So the theme is Recycling Heroes. Then moving on to the next question. So the eighth question is, who has been appointed as the new Director General of the National Security Guard? So the answer is option C, M.A. Ganapathy. So M.A. Ganapathy has been appointed as the new Director General of National Security Guard. Then moving on to the next question. So the 19th question is, which country was the largest arms exporter in the world during 2016 to 2020 as per the latest SIPRI's report? So the answer is option A, Russia. So Russia is the largest arm exporter in the world during 2016 to 2020, and the five largest arm exporters are United States, Russia, France, Germany and China. So the five largest arm exporters are United States, Russia, France, Germany and China, and India is ranked 24th as a arms exporter. Then moving on to the next question. So the 10th question is, what is the theme of Global Recycling Day 2021? So the answer is option A, Recycling Heroes. So the theme of Global Recycling Day is Recycling Heroes, and we celebrate Global Recycling Day on 18th March. Then moving on to the next question. So the 11th question is, who has been appointed as the new Director General of the International Solar Alliance upon the superannuation of Upendra Tripathi? So the answer is option C, Ajay Mathur. So Ajay Mathur has been appointed as the Director General of International Solar Alliance after the superannuation of Upendra Tripathi. Then moving on to the next question. So the 12th question is, how much amount of loan guarantee program has been announced jointly by the USAID and DFC to finance investment by Indian small and medium enterprises in renewable energy solution? So the answer is option C, USD 41 million, and the full form of USAID is United States Agency for International Development. The full form is United States Agency for International Development, and the administrator is Gloria Steele. So Gloria Steele is the administrator of USAID, and DFC stands for Development Finance Corporation. DFC stands for Development Finance Corporation. Then moving on to the next question. So the 13th question is, the Rattle Hydroelectric Power Corporation is a joint venture company formed by Jammu and Kashmir administration with which company to implement the 850 megawatts Rattle Hydroelectric project? So the answer is option B, NHPC, and the full form of NHPC is National Hydroelectric Power Corporation, and the chairman is Abhay Kumar Singh. So Abhay Kumar Singh is the chairman of National Hydroelectric Power Corporation, and the Rattle Hydroelectric Power Corporation is a joint venture company formed by the administration of Jammu and Kashmir and NHPC. Then moving on to the next question. So the 14th question is, on which date the Ordnance Factory Day is being celebrated in India? So the answer is option C, 18th March. So we celebrate the Ordnance Factories Day on 18th March in India. Then moving on to the next question. So the 15th question is, who is the author of the book Dawn Under the Doom? So the answer is option D, Swati Pandey. Swati Pandey. So Swati Pandey is the author of the book Dawn Under the Doom. So the author of the book Dawn Under the Doom is Swati Pandey. Then moving on to the next question. So the 16th question is, how many persons will be conferred with the Sahitya Academy Award? So the answer is option B, 20. So 20 persons will be conferred with the Sahitya Academy Awards. Then moving on to the next question. So the 17th question is, which state has the highest percentage of area covered under the micro irrigation as per MOAFW? So the answer is option D, Sikkim. So Sikkim has the highest percentage of the area covered under micro irrigation as per the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, and the Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare is Narendra Singh Tomar. So the Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare is Narendra Singh Tomar. Then moving on to the next question. So the 18th question is, who among the following has been appointed as the new commandant of the strategic Kashmir based 15 crops? So the answer is option B, D.P. Pandey. So D.P. Pandey has been appointed as the new commandant of the strategic Kashmir based 15 crops. Then moving on to the next question. So the 19th question is, John Magufuli, who has passed away, was the former president of which country? So the answer is option B, Tanzania. So John Magufuli, who has passed away recently, is the former president of Tanzania, and he was 61 years old, and the cause of death is heart ailment, and he passed away on 17th of March. Then moving on to the next question. So the last question is, the RBI has imposed a rupees 2000 crore penalty on which bank for paying commission to employees? So the answer is option C, State Bank of India. So RBI has imposed rupees 2000 crore penalty on State Bank of India for paying commission to employees. And the Chief Executive Officer of State Bank of India is Dinesh Kumar Kara. So that's it, we are done for the day, and thank you for watching our video. And if you think that we are doing good, please let us know in the comment section below, because it means a lot to us. And meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. It's me, Harini, signing off.